The boat we're going to tour today is a 2007 Sea Ray 24 Sundancer. Boat is located in Hampstead, North Carolina. Looking over the cockpit, you can see off on the port side here, got 2 seats. Across to starboard, we've got a wet bar with storage below. That was an option in this boat, by the way, so not all of them have it. Helm seat with the flip-up thigh rise. Working our way up to the helm, got a Garmin 741 XS color GPS chart plotter, and that unit's just a couple of years old. And then here you can see the Garmin 546, which I believe was original with the boat. You can see both units are very professionally and nicely flush mounted. So we've got our analog gauges here, remote control for the stereo. And this boat has a feature that I don't think any other 24 Sea Ray or very few have. It's an anchor windlass. And I'll give you a shot of that out on the deck here in just a minute as well. That's about a $3,000 add-on if you were going to add it to a boat. Just a look across the back at the aft seating. I don't see any tears, cuts, splits, anything in the seating. And the boat actually has a walk-through when the door is closed. Close it part way so you'll be able to see there's molded in steps, which then leads us out to the bow area. So you can see all the way forward is where the windlass is located. I tell you what, if you ever own a boat with a windlass, you will probably never own another boat without again. They're that convenient. Slide this door back open for us and take a look down in the cabin area. So we've got a forward V-berth, and you can see the wood table. And that table does, of course, drop down, makes into a full sleeping area. You can see the filler cushion is right there. Just trying to show you that I don't see any stains, no mildew, no smells. I know you can't see that, but I guess you're going to have to trust me on that one. We've got a hanging locker over here. You got a stereo speaker, and then that's your air conditioning control right there. So we do have air with reverse cycle heat. And panning back around with the galley, you can see the microwave up top here. There's our stereo and our main electrical distribution panel. Here we've got our sink and a single burner propane stove. And then down below we've got the fridge. And like all Sundancers, we have a mid-cabin. You can see there's a second table. That's the table that goes out in the cockpit. And we have an enclosed head, which is right across from the galley. So it's a pump out head. You can see you've got your sink with storage down below. The faucet will actually mount up in that unit if you do want to shower. Here in the head. Again, just a couple of steps back out to the cockpit. Just a couple of more comments. You can see we've got bimini top and a full camper. The boat does include the full enclosure, and for day-to-day storage, that's a cockpit cover. When I am finished with the boat, that cover will go from the windshield and slant down all the way to the transom. And we'll just take a walk for a second. So you got to walk through transom door here. So this boat is offered by MarineMax. It's in Hampstead, North Carolina, which is near Wilmington. My name is Mike. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 910-620-9903. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.